Hello everyone. Here we are starting with the federalism chapter part 2. In the first part we have discussed about definition of federalism and features of the federalism. Today here we will be looking how is federalism practiced in India. Firstly, linguistic states India is having. Second, language policy India is having. Then thirdly, center state relation India is having. I suggest you before going through this video you should read your textbook or this chapter. So here we'll see the first reason how federalism is practiced in India. First is linguistic states. What it means that India's states are made of the on the basis of the language what they speak. For example, if it is Maharashtra state, the speakers of the Maharashtra are Maharashtrians, and if it is Gujarat state, it means that people of this Gujarat are Gujaratis. So state names and state filtration is done on the basis of the people language what they speak. Bengal people speak the Bengali. So here it means that linguistic states, on the basis of the linguistic state the federalism is achieved. It means that every state is given the right to have their language. Secondly, that is language policy. Here in India we don't have any national language. People often say that Hindi is a national language, but no, you're wrong. Hindi is not a national language. We are only having the English and Hindi as an official language. The reason of India to not to have the Hindi as official language, because 40% of the Indians are opposing to have this Hindi as a national language, and the South Indian people, that is Tamil, Kerala peoples and other South Indian people are raising the issue by not understanding this Hindi language. So that's why this cannot be said that Hindi is one of the in national language, and that is the reason why India is not opting for a national language. Here India is giving the English and the Hindi both as the official language title, and in the state the official work is done in their language. Like Maharashtra state government is doing their official work in the Marathi language. Gujarat state governments are doing their work in a Gujarati language. Now coming to the third federal practice, that is center state relation. What it means that earlier when there was no free and fair election, what was happening that time, in the center also same political party comes in the power, as well as in the state also same political party comes in the power. If it happens, you cannot say that it is a federal or it is a fair manner to practice in the country. Okay, and nowadays due to more coming up of local political party, this problem has been solved, and with rising up of regional political party, and if that regional political party are not making much unity or much winning seats in the parliament or on the center state or center election or in the state election, so they form the coalition government. It means that no single party got a clear majority in the Lok Sabha, so this major national political parties had to enter an alliance with many regional political party. So this system is called the coalition government. This is given only in the federal country, so that's why it is included how the federalism is practiced in the India. Coalition government formation is done in the India, so it is said that this system is included in the India. That's why India is known as the federal country by these three features practiced in the India. Thank you for watching this, and if you have not cleared the first video, go and watch that first video. Then the last video will make more clear to understand this thing. Thank you.